So August 10th will mark my 4th anniversary of owning my first property. I still get in disbelief at this process and what it took to get there. How God ordained my every step. From Section 8 tenant to property owner. From the projects to my own property. From West Side tenant to South Side owner. No matter how you word it, God has made me victorious, and He is not done. It's amazing how I saw His every implemented step. The odds were against me, all against me. Young single mother, from the projects, Section 8, the hood. Statistics would say there's no way she would make it. Many said I was going to drop out of school and not make it when I got pregnant at a young age. I actually got pregnant at 15 and had my firstborn at 16. Well, I got 2 degrees. I didn't just finish high school, but then college as well. The negativity fueled me. And then God anchored me. And He's about to catapult me. Lifted me out of the rut, spiritually and mentally, and then eventually physically. So when you ask me how, God had a purpose and a plan. He molded me. While I thought IT was my passion, real estate in every aspect thereof was always my passion. I would go and stalk neighborhoods, look at buildings, look at houses, look at the architects, look how it was made. Love to talk to my landlord. And it was just beautiful. God showed me all this recently, that this whole time, that's where my heart was. And I cried. For I am a success story. And this success story has just begun.